I gave you my heart.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla. If you're not already, please click down there on that subscribe button and join our crew. So this is Maggie for anyone who hasn't met her before. And today she's going to be unboxing. Maggie, come back. You're the star of the show. Come on. Over here. Maggie. Nope. Over here. Come on. Nope. Over here. Maggie, what's this? Come over here. Sit down. There you go. Good girl. Alright, yeah. What's in here? What's in here? Alrighty, I took a moment to open this up. But this is a pet subscription called Pet Treater. And each pack is filled with 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canada made treats, never from China, and extra goodies. And this is $15 a month. So we're going to have Maggie come check it out. Maggie, come here. What's in here? I have never looked in here, so let's just grab the first thing we're seeing. Maggie. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. Aww. So this is from Patchwork Pet Collections. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, right to her little spot. Oh, hold on, my backpack's in the way, Maggie. Oh, come here, Maggie, over here. Come here. Over here, Maggie. This is a lot harder than what I thought. Come here, over there. There you go. Stay down off the bed. Oh, she is loving that. That is so cute. What do you think, Maggie? Is it approved? Oh, yeah. I would say so. Alright, this is just going to be a quick, fun little video that I wanted to show you guys. That you can get your pets a subscription as well. That won't break the bank. And then I got a little card that talks about sharing pictures of your dog. To get a free item in your next box. Make sure to include your pet's name. Well, that's cool. Alright, next. I want to save the treats for last because I'm sure she will just mow down. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. She loves nanners. You want a bandana? Huh? She loves them. 1 second and I'll put it on for you guys. Look at this, you guys. Oh, she's so adorable. Look at that. She is so interested in this toy. It is ridiculous. I think this was a win for sure. Maggie, stay. Let's see what else we got in here. I think the 2 other ones are just treats. So I got this. Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations. Lily tested, Callie approved. Maggie, you want a treat? 3 cheese pleasures. Man, I did not think this video through. Oh, you got your toy, you little sneak. What is this? Oh my gosh, you guys, that's adorable. That is so awesome. I was not expecting anything like this when I got this box. Servings, 1 ounce, 30 training bites. Oh, see, I'm glad I read this. I was just going to give the whole thing to her. So the ingredients are cheddar, Colby, and Jack cheese, whole wheat flour, water, oats, cornmeal, wheat germ, butter, eggs, chicken bouillon, mixed tocopherols, natural preservative. So super cute. Maggie, come over here with your toy so everybody can see you. Alright, let's see what other treat there is. I don't know if I'm going to give her that mountain one quite yet. There is the Trail Chews, made and packed exclusively for pet treater. Pea flour, lamb, potato flour, flaxseed, coconut, glycerin, honey, apples, coconut oil, passion flour, barbecue flavor, and citric acid. The Pound Bakery, 2 dogs away. Alright, well, I'm going to open these up real quick, and then I'll get her over here to try it out. Alrighty, Maggie's over here checking it out. So, this is what they look like. Want Maggie? Oh, you going to go to your bed? Where's your toy? So she's got her new toy that she loves, her little nanner. Just a little bandana, that we call it. And her new treats, including this most adorable thing ever. I have to show it to Zach before I break it. He has to see this. What do you think, Maggie? Alrighty, you guys. We could just sit here and look at Maggie forever. But I'm going to end the video now and take the tag off her new toy and love her up. So, you guys have a great day. And I have a spoiler video coming out for makeup. Be sure to leave down below in the comments if you would like to see more videos of Maggie opening pet subscriptions. And I will try to figure out how to film them better. Alright, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.